Ready to upgrade the way you live, work, and relax? Step into a backyard pod and discover how your backyard can become your new favorite place. So what exactly is a backyard pod? We create fully built, ready-to-use tiny homes and spaces that transform your backyard into a functional extension of your home. Whether you're looking for a home office, guest suite, gym, or even a peaceful yoga studio, we have the perfect solution for you.
You might be wondering why Backyard Pod stands out from other builders.
For starters, we prioritize weekly communication throughout the entire build process. Our pods feature large windows that let in plenty of natural light and are built with high-end quality materials. Plus, each pod comes with fingerprint access for enhanced security and convenience, making it ideal for short-term rentals. The main benefits, you may ask: you'll avoid the disruption of construction inside your home. You have a private space that's separate from your house, perfect for distraction-free productivity and relaxation. Plus, it can increase your property value, offer potential tax breaks, and even provide an opportunity for rental income.
Installation is quick too. For pods without bathrooms, it takes just 4 to 6 weeks. If you want a pod with a bathroom included, it'll take about 4 to 6 months. Worried about zoning or permits? Don't be, we handle all of that for you. Now let's talk costs. Our backyard pods start at $35,000 for an office setup and go up to $250,000 for a 2-story tiny home, with a variety of options in between. But don't just take my word for it. Our clients have shared experiences with Backyard Pod, highlighting not just the quality of our pods, but also the seamless process from design to installation that sets us apart from other builders.
Backyard Pod came in and built in our yard in just a matter of a couple of weeks. A beautiful space that integrates perfectly.
So if you're ready to turn your backyard into something extraordinary, contact us today. Let's start designing your perfect pod together. We're not just building pods, we're enhancing lifestyles.